unaona venye nimeunda hizi trays. Once ume irrigate hapa water, unaachana na hizo trays za chini. Hii kitu iko na perforation here. Ina bring maji, hii maji inapeana hii. Kwa hivyo sisi hatukuwa tuna water hizo za chini na zinamea tu. So this perforation ndio inaingia hii maji. Na hii maji pia hii ina slant. Kuna perforation huko za hole, small one. Inapea hiyo ya chini. Sawa sawa? So hiyo maji nitakana ingie. Hii kitu kiroll inakuwa kama mat. Ukipea nguruwe inanyonya. Sasa itakuwa mat. White. You see? So inatakana ikuwe hivi. You should not put excess water because excess water ina bring microbial growth. So inakaa hivi. And these things tukitafuta seeds tunatafuta kwa Kenya seed. A certified one from the Kenya seed. Because we need the source of the seed is also matters. We don't need a seed that is just, we don't have just seed because some are not germinating. But the best one you go from Kenya seed, you can use wheat or this is for demonstration and acting as an experiment. You see the one that cannot germinate. You get it? So this one we get from Kenya seed. The first thing the process we do is that we soak it in water. We soak it in water. Unatumia gunny sacks. We have a gunny sack here. There's a gunny sack which was here. You put it inside, and then maji unaweka kwa trap hapa. Ina settle hapa for 2 days.
Ukiwa na maji ndani.
Maji itakuwa chini, seeds ziko juu.
And then maji.
Maji tu pure water. With some magic inside.
Okay, so it should be covered.
It's covered, and then on top here, kuna you leave the holes. There is this one unatoboa the lid. Unaweka holes because we need air to get in. And then you just cover it like that. You leave it for 2 days. After 2 days, sasa utakuwa ukichota, unachota, you remove the 1 kg of it. Una spread hapa. After tomorrow when you come, after around 1 day, itaanza a lot of benefits. One is that you only use water. Bora tu kuna clean water, just enough.
Naweza tumia maji ya kisima.
Isikuwe tu na chlorine. Bora tu ni safi, maji safi tu. Yenye hujaweka anything like chlorine water.
Hakuna hata mbolea unaweka hapa.
Sorry?
Hakuna hata mbolea unaweka hapa.
Hakuna mbolea, ni pure water. There is nothing you put.
Why are you not filling up to the end?
Yeah, this space very good. Now here space we allow space for water to get into this tray. But generally why inakuwa up to some.
Oh, it is like this.
It's like this, such that this water we only spray is one on top. Alafu inaleta iko na perforation. So this one will water this. Hii iko na holes the other side. It will water this. This water we collect still clean.
So una water hii ya juu peke yake.
Now kitu nauliza, what amount of water unaweka kwa hii so
for each tray? So this you only put small amount, like this one we only put only 1 liter is enough for this side.
You need not
kumwaga, you just spray kidogo. Huko tight hii kitu ungetaita. So what we do here, you just put like this. So long as 1 liter is this side, it's enough for 1 tray, and then it will water up to the down.
1 liter is enough.
It's enough for this side. 1 tray.
1 tray.
Yeah.
Oh,
again the other side. So you water in the morning, and you water at noon, and you water by 5 p.m. Then you just leave it.
Does it mean what other animals?
By this one. Yes. You can use sheep, sheep, goats, even dairy cows.
Okay, now. What is the cost?
The cost. Good.
Cost implication.
Okay, so cost implication here is this. So in the first, we normally have alternatives. We have barley, we can use barley, but the barley is the good one because the protein is high, around 75%.
Barley you can get it from the
Kenya Buraris.
Oh, here in
Kenya Buraris. Lakini the others, this one you have used is just wheat. Wheat you get from Kenya because they have certified seeds. So 1 kg, wheat, because they sell them in 50 kilo. So that means 50 kilo is 4,050. So meaning 1 kilo is divided by 50, roughly 70 shillings, around 65 shillings a kilo. So that kilo is 65 bob, and when you put it here, you only need 1 kilo, which is that 65.
For this
is
one
one tray. You only require 1 kilo, and that 1 kilo, after it has grown to a level, it's going to produce 2.5 kilo. Triple, yeah, it's going to double that. And then when you sell this to a farmer, it can fit, like this 1 tray can feed more than 10 chickens. Now, if you sell 1 tray, you sell at 200, which is 1 kilo. Yeah. Which is 65 shillings, you sell at 200. Yeah.
And you must have this thing.
This is very good. I'm going to explain everything in the house. You have the structure. Now, in the structure, we have this net. This is a shade net. It is tightened.
Yes.
Now, we don't need to have tuweke mabati or kind of iron sheet. I'll explain up there. This one is just a kind of, because this thing, birds like this thing. Okay. And also when we put the iron sheet here, there's going to be too much heat here. And this too much heat here will also increase the growth of microbial. It will grow, and then on the top, because we need the bottom equal white is so white. We don't need some strains or what, which bring microbial growth. That one will. So that heat will bring about some organisms that survive in high temperature. They can get even through the roof. They can even get into the thing. And then when it comes to Jioni, it's very cold. So they also hibernate. So when it comes at this time, they left. That's why I was saying the best place to get the seed is from Kenya. Yeah. So if you get the way of watering, sometimes some spread beside. You need to be watered kama imeshikana, so that at least it will come on its own. Yeah, that's what it is. Okay.
Can the tray be made of plastic?
Sorry?
The tray.
The tray is just made of aluminium, just from the portfolio.
But it can be made of plastic, eh?
Plastic? No. We don't need plastic. These are wheat. Yeah. Wheat we can use oats. Like this is strong. You can't use it here. Yeah.
Unaweza tumia ile ya greenhouse.
Greenhouse.
Nini polythene?
You can use that. Not black one. You don't use black one.
No, the one for greenhouse.
The one for greenhouse.
Greenhouse, yeah.
Round ama
Juu.
So long as it is transparent.
Yeah.
So long as it can bring some light. You see, light. This is transparent at night. Yeah, that's what we need.
Okay, thank you.